How to save YouTube Shorts in playlist. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save YouTube Shorts in playlist. So first of all, just open your YouTube on your smartphone, and after that just click on the library icon at the bottom right corner of your mobile screen, and here you will see this option called your videos, and now you will see these three options: video, shorts and live. Since I have not uploaded any videos on my account as of now, so I don't have any videos over here in my shorts. So if you have videos in your shorts section, just click on any of the short that you want to add to a playlist and just click on the three dot icon right beside the particular video, and after that you will see options like save to playlist, share video. Just click on save to playlist, and after that you will see a list of playlists. So just go ahead and choose the playlist of your liking, and after that just click on done. So this is how you will be able to save YouTube Shorts in playlist. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.